Hey, Callan, let's read a book. This is Goodnight, Little Blue Truck. All right, let's see what happens. Bumpity bump down the road, little blue truck with a good friend Toad. Thunder crashing, lightning flashing, two good friends were homeward dashing. Such a wet and stormy night, their warm garage was a welcome sight. In they went and shut the door, but it wasn't long before. "Ma," said the goat, "please, little blue, can I come in here with Toad and you?" "Cluck," said the hen, "it's wet outside. I need a nice, safe place to hide." "Honk," said the goose, "don't care for lightning. Stormy nights are a little bit frightening." "Moo," said the cow, "can I come in too? I feel safer here with you." "Quack," said the duck, "that's quite a crowd. Can I squeeze in? Are ducks allowed?" "Oink," said the pig, "is there room for me? I'm cold and wet as can be." "Beep, beep," said Little Blue, "there's room for you and you and you. Everybody gather around. Thunder's such a grumbly sound." Clouds bump and tumble in the sky, but here inside we're warm and dry, and all the thirsty plants below will get a drink to help them grow. Close to Blue, over and under, they listen to rain and thunder. Duck said, as long as he could quack it, "Thunder's just a noisy racket." "Boom," said the goat, "it isn't scary. I wasn't afraid, not very." "Just the noise," said Pig, "no wonder. I'm not scared of a little thunder." After a while, the clouds blew on. The night was still and the storm was gone. Goat said, "We feel better, Blue. It's easy to be brave with you." Pig said, "I feel sleepy now. Let's all head home," said the cow. "Beep," said Blue, "just hop inside. All aboard the bedtime ride." The rain had stopped, and way up high in the moon was a smile in the starry sky. "Good night, Pig. Here's your pen. Good night, Duck. Good night, Hen. Good night, Goat. You're home now. Good night, Goose. Good night, Cow." Horn went beep. Engine pure. Friendliest sounds you ever heard. Blue and Toad drove home together, two good friends in any weather. Toad lay down on his small bed. "Croak, good night, Little Blue," he said. Blue gave a small sleepy beep. Then Little Blue fell fast asleep. Good night.